Hey guys, this is Tyler with Tyler's Dragon Tarot, and I thought I would do, it seems like there's most of y'all's readings, most of the zodiac readings seem to revolve around somebody leaving, needing more passion, you maybe needing to look back on a decision, a breakup. So it seems like a lot of it has to do with relationships and breaking up or even leaving someone or wanting them back or needing to change your mind. So I thought I would do it just a general breakup type of thing. And I'm not using my dragon deck. I might pull it in, but I'm kind of liking these cards today. And what I got was this card. First card I got. And so, this could be like a new love and all that. But I hate to give people false hope, but what I get from this card is like it just seems it's a water card, but there's fire in it. Like it feels like a rekindling of a relationship and you two coming back together and just like a release, like it feels just so right to be back in each other's arms, and like this is what was meant to happen. I mean, this could be a new person, but I don't know. Let's see. Is there? I'm really feeling like this is a rekindling, though. Like, just, an old flame. Even if it recently was extinguished by somebody, I feel like it's an old flame rekindling. So I feel like this is a reuniting card. Let me see if maybe I can get a little more clarity on this. So for those going through breakups, either side, that's two cards. I don't want to do that. No, all right. Oh. All right, I dropped. Yeah, this feels right. Just one. Feels like this card is just like one person is more passionate than the other right now. The other person's trying to pull away, and then one person's just like, hey, what? Come back. Like, we're going to rekindle this. I mean, even the person pulling away looks like they're pulling away, but they're still just like, I don't think I want to pull away. the other person looks like it's just, I'm gonna fight for you. Like, why aren't you just not doing it? I feel like this goes here. Okay, just charm with the heart on it. I don't know how well you guys can see it. She's reaching out with a little bracelet with a heart on it, and it's like I feel like the person who's pulling away, something's gonna make them reach out, and then you're gonna rekindle. Something's gonna make them reach out. What will make them reach out to give their heart back? Oh, too many cards. Sorry. What will make them reach out to give their heart back to you? What are they doing? What is it that will okay. Just both of these. One seems like, okay, it just seems like, because one seems like spirit, like a guide. Wow. Okay. So it seems like things are swimming away. Okay. So it seems like what's going to make them reach out is they need to close their eyes. They need to release something. Maybe negative emotions. Maybe why they left. And after they do that, a guide or intuition will kick in, and they're going to get a message, and it's going to lead to this. Well, so oh shoot. Sorry, way too many cards popped out. Okay. Anything else regarding this? Anything else? Okay, so I feel like you're both going to have to look at it from each other's views to be able to plant the seeds for this to grow into this wonderful reconciliation. You're going to have to be, both of you are probably going to hear things you don't want to hear. Both of you, I mean, but you're going to have to work through it. I feel like you will work through it. You need to see each other's side of the story. And I feel like this is where, okay, just in my head, this is where the breakup probably went wrong, is lack of communication, like lack of empathy, lack of just talking it out. And, someone might not, I see someone just being rigid and or even both of you, or even someone may have been flexible, but the other person thought, oh no, they're not flexible. They won't bend. They are the way they are, and they are scared to talk about how they feel. But you both need to be able to look at each other's side of the story, and you'll plant the seeds to grow. And I feel like this is the ultimate goal, the reconciliation. And I could draw another card for the future, but this card's just beautiful to me. There's so much love in it. There's just a spark. It is just beautiful. Like I said, this could be a new person, but this really feels like an old person, a respark after breakups and all that. Especially with the perception, you need to be able to see each other's side of the story. It really feels like it's like an after breakup reconciliation type of thing. So hopefully this vibes with some of you. Hopefully this vibes with couples, like on both parties, and maybe it will help you on the journey to reconciling. Maybe, I don't know. I made this channel to try to help. Leave a like if you liked it, and comments. I appreciate the subscribers, and have a good day.